Hello everyone, welcome to chapter 18 and 19, which is gonna be which is just gonna be me continuing to style the website. For this chapter, I wanted to make a different video because I'm using something different to install to style the forms, which is crispy forms. Once again, check the description if you want to know what it is, but it's just it's just a package that makes the forms look better. Look nicer. So that's pretty much what we're doing for this chapter. Since that's why I left most of the forms, the templates that have forms for these two chapters. So let's go ahead and install pip install crispy bootstrap 5 so that we use the latest at the moment, of course, of recording this. So let's just do that. Alright, successful install. And now we have to go to settings.py in the examples folder. Let's go to settings.py and just add that to the installed app section. So don't forget the comma here. And we need to import both two of them, which is crispy underscore forms, and then we have crispy underscore bootstrap 5. Okay, so just save settings.py. Let me just close a bunch of things that I have open here. Okay, and you also need to add these two lines of code, so you can just I'm just gonna put them at the end, I guess. So now we should be good. So save the settings.py file, and now let's start styling the forms. So go to the new listing page, and once again just copy paste this template here, or this code here. So for these templates, we have added at the top, we have to load this tag so that we can start using the crispy forms. So load crispy underscore forms underscore tags, and then in the form we can refer to the form.title, and then we add this special as a crispy field. In this way, it looks different than if it was just like a regular styling. So make sure that that you understand that. So we have to load the tags so that we can use the crispy forms. Okay, so now let's run the server and check the new listing page. So just refresh and just go to the new listing, and as you can see, it looks way better than before. And you can click here to add like an image and all of that. So go to, now the next one is the edit listing page. So edit listing, so same process. Alright, so once you have the code, you can look through the code if you want to. You can change the number of columns, anything. You can change the rows or whatever you want. This is just how I did it, but feel free to change things. So let's go to my listings, go to the edit listing page, and you should see that you can edit it from there, and it looks better. Okay, so let's go to the next one, delete listing page. So close this one, delete listing page. This one down here. So for this one, I don't think we use the crispy forms because it's just, there is no need for this one, since it's just like it just displays like that. It doesn't have any fields or anything like that. So let's check that one. So my listings, delete, and now you can see. Let's just cancel here. Alrighty, so that was for that. And now for the last chapter of styling, we're styling the login, register page, and whatever is left to do to register, to style. So go to login.html, and let's just follow the same process that we've been doing. So for this one, you have to go to users, because that's where the templates are. Users, templates, registration, login.html. Okay, so I have the code now. Now it has to look something like this. So let's check. So you can style all the templates first, and then in the end check. Before, I just wanted to check one by one in case there is a problem. We can fix it. So we need to log out to see the login page. Yes. So it's been styled successfully. Let's move on to the register page now. Register.html. Replace this. Replace the code. And now let's go check. So if I want to register, I come here and you can see it's been styled. The search filter. So I think I also styled the search filter here. Okay, so we already, let's see what's in here. It's in listings. Yeah, you can just copy and paste. I think I only changed this part here, or you can just compare the code, but like just copy the whole template and then just paste it, I guess. Let's do that. First of all, let's go to all listings. So go back to listings, templates, all listings. So the way that it currently looks is the following. So let's go see how it looks first. So if you go to listings, it looks like this. You can keep it like that if you want to. I think I wanted all the fields to be in a row. That's why I changed it. But you can keep it like that. Nothing is gonna change. It's gonna work regardless. Alright, so let me change the code. And if you wanna know why I didn't style it before when we did the all listings page, it was because at that point we didn't install the crispy forms yet. As you can see here, you don't have the crispy fields like here. So that's why we didn't do it, and I left it for the end. So I have replaced the code, and yeah, so now if we go to, so this is how it was before, and if you refresh, you should have it like that. Which looks, I think it looks better, in my opinion. Yeah, so we have styled the website successfully. And you can see the quiz here. So as you can see, the styling wasn't that much, so it didn't take us that long. And for the next few chapters, it's just 4 more chapters from here, 4 or 5, and I'll just show you how to use a relational database, RDS, and also a bunch of other things. So just stick around for the end. We're almost there.